skipped it.
Good morning. Guys, I need energy. I need energy this Monday morning. I hope everyone has had something to eat. Okay. Thank you all for coming. My name is Edna Agwata. I'm the sales manager for Simba Cement. The company is National Cement Company, Uganda Limited. So today I'm here to talk about Simba Cement. So Simba Cement has been in Uganda for the last 6 years. We commissioned the plant in 2016 in Tororo, and we have been in operation since then. We have been redefining the Ugandan construction industry by offering top quality cement for at unmatched prices. So our focus is to offer high quality cement at affordable prices without compromising on quality. We believe that by supporting His Excellency Yoweri Museveni's vision of affordable housing, that we contribute significantly to Uganda's socio-economic growth. So we are committed as Simba Cement to the government of Uganda and to all Ugandan citizens to always provide cement at minimum affordable price to achieve their dreams, to build their dream homes. Now the game changer for Simba Cement is that we scaled our operations, and we recently commissioned the region's largest clinker plant in the clinker manufacturing plant in West Pokot, Kenya. This has enabled us, or it has given us a logistical advantage. We have reduced our transport cost. It has given us a logistical efficiency that has enabled us to pass cost savings to our customers when ensuring that top-grade cement is readily available. Now, I want us to focus on the brands of cement that we have. We have 3 main products that we offer to our customers, tailored to their construction needs. The first product I'm going to focus on is Simba Cement SEM 4 32.5. It's a cement that is ideal for general purpose applications. This is what you use in your daily building and construction needs. You can also use it, sorry. You can also use it for concrete works, domestic concrete works, as well as to do repairs in your domestic home. The advantage of SEM 4 Simba Cement is that it has this quick drying formula, which which ensures that it gives a fast curing performance. Now, what that means to a layman or to anyone in a construction site is that fast curing translates into time and cost savings when you're in construction. The second product I'll talk about is Simba Cement SEM 2 32.5. This is a cement that is designed for civil works, including large-scale projects. For instance, those who are involved in construction of apartments and shopping malls. So, SEM 2 is specifically, or is suitable also for the block-making companies. Companies that are involved in making pavers, blocks, the building blocks, the culverts, road curbs, what we ordinarily refer to as precast items that are used in construction. The third product is Simba Power 42.5. It is a strong cement, a preferred choice of cement for heavy-duty projects like bridges, roads, and high-rise buildings. The characteristic of Simba Cement 42.5 is it has a higher clinker content and a superior compressive strength. This is a grade of cement that meets the demands of contractors and engineers for reliable performance, and for those who need concrete that is able to withstand heavy pressures and loads. Now, before Simba Cement came into the market, the prices of cement were skyrocketing. And our coming into the market was during a time of scarcity, during a time of low supply. We have been able to maintain competitive pricing in this market, making cement affordable. We are looking at a time when prices before the incoming of Simba into Uganda were looking at almost 40,000 Ugandan shillings a bag. Currently, the price of cement is it's less than 30,000, thanks to Simba Cement. Now, what gives us an advantage? Our proximity to raw material sources plays a crucial role in our pricing strategy. As earlier mentioned, we recently commissioned a very large capacity clinker manufacturing plant in West Pokot. This newly commissioned clinker plant, which is very near to our Tororo cement plant, ensures logistical efficiency, reduces transport cost, and an overall lower carbon footprint to the environment. The same logistical efficiency that we have gotten by having the clinker plant nearer to our Tororo plant has allowed us to continue offering affordable cement without compromising on quality to all Ugandans. We are dedicated to sustainability and safety. The company, as you know, operates in compliance with ISO standards and adheres to strict environmental protocols which are set by regulatory bodies such as NEMA. We have also invested in modern equipment and machinery, complemented by standard operating procedures that are followed to ensure a safe and healthy environment for our workers and the contractors. We are not left behind when it comes to product innovation. Our research and development team has recently introduced Simba Cement SEM2 32.5, a product that is specifically designed to meet the growing demand for high-strength cement in civil works and infrastructure projects. Now, we are seeing a trend where there's an increase in infrastructure development as well as population growth, which requires a need for affordable housing. Our production capacity has doubled over the last few years to be able to meet this growing demand for cement. We are well positioned to provide advanced solutions that align with the market needs. As part of our expansion, we have also appointed over 200 dealers countrywide to ensure that cement remains accessible to all consumers countrywide. We want to influence the cement industry in this country. Lastly, I want to thank all our customers for their support, and I want to urge all the partners in the construction industry that next time they're looking to build, ask for Simba Cement, a name you can trust for quality, affordability, and excellence. Thank you. Any questions? Yes, please.
Thank you. My name is Wycliffe Sebunya. I work with Radio 1. Talk to us about the production capacity of the company, say on a daily or a monthly. Then the president is advocating for growing the country's export volume. You can also take us through the countries where you're exporting these products. And talk to us about the challenges maybe, or what you'd want to see improved. There's been introduction of digital stamps on products that are being manufactured. Are you comfortable with that? Excess duty on every product. Try to explain more about that.
My name is Dennis Kasule from the Uganda Radio Network. I want to understand your attachment with Uganda. When you're mentioning about the new killing production line, it is in Kenya. How about Uganda? Because the president is always talking about value addition. We have Kilinka in Uganda. Why Kenya? Only that.
Thank you. My name is Simon from the New Vision. I'm just wondering, in terms of packaging, how are you addressing the needs for the common person that would probably not be able to buy the biggest, size or package of bags that you have?
Thank you so much. My name is Grace Segrinya from Salt Media. We have been witnessing a lot of price instability in this industry. That even at one point we saw the head of state threatening to open the borders for other manufacturers abroad to outside countries to come and compete with you. You as manufacturers, what have you done to ensure that the stability, especially at this market of ours where construction is at high level?
Mine is about counterfeits. Recently, we've seen lots of counterfeits in the cement industry with other brands. Simba Cement, how are you addressing this? Thank you.
Okay. I'll tackle some of the questions, and I'll also invite my colleague, Mr. Hitravel, to address some of the questions. So, About the export volume, as I mentioned earlier, our capacity is about 1.8 million annually. That's our production capacity. And all this cannot be consumed locally. So we are also targeting markets such as South Sudan, Congo, Rwanda, as well as Burundi. Sorry? Metric tons. Thank you. 1.8 million metric tons per annum. The second question, I'm not going to answer them in a particular order. The last question I'm going to tackle is on price instability. Now, with our production capacity, we're aiming to empower not only builders, literally everyone, builders, contractors, and homeowners, to be able to engage in any kind of construction they can be able to afford. So our prices have drastically come down. One, because of the advantage of the proximity to the clinker plant. Our plant is very near to our Tororo cement plant. And as a result, we aim to make affordable, we aim to make cement as one of the construction products affordable to every Ugandan, which ultimately leads to affordable housing. So we're hoping that with availability of the raw materials, the prices should be able to stabilize, knowing that supply is stabilized. Thank you. Mr. Aid.
Yes, good morning everyone. Yeah, my name is Heath Rawal. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager for Simba Cement. So, yeah, I've heard the questions, and as my colleague has mentioned, our main vision and focus is to make cement price affordable in the country, while also ensuring the best quality. And one of you mentioned about the digital stamp, DTS. So which ensure the product is manufactured within Uganda. And if somebody wants to bring cement from outside Uganda, they have to ensure that they put the DTS sticker on the cement bag. So there has been a lot of smuggling of cement before from the border, and so this DTS stamp is helping us to identify that this cement belongs to Uganda, all the taxes are paid. And about the packaging, our packaging is eco-friendly. Before, all the cement manufacturers were using a paper bag, which was also contributing the the loss of environment when a lot of trees are cut to make the paper bags. So in that solution, we have introduced PP bag, and now all the manufacturers are using it. And sorry, I don't remember all the questions. Maybe some of you can repeat which I have missed. Sorry. Okay, we have been receiving good support from the government, and government is supporting the manufacturing industries in the Uganda, and we are committed to provide best quality cement and support the government by supporting the dream of His Excellency, which is affordable housing in the country. And we we are committed to even expand the capacities further if the need rises. So currently we have a 5,000 tons capacity per day, which we have recently expanded 2 years back because of the growing demand in the country. And as my colleague mentioned, like before we came in Uganda, before we came into operation, the cement prices were skyrocketing. And the main reason was there was no enough supply of cement. There was no enough production in the country. But since we started, we are ensuring, we are making sure that enough cement is available in the country so that the prices remain stable and affordable for all the people.
Mine was about the clinker factory in Kenya. I was asking why Kenya, not Uganda.
Okay, and for that, we are also exploring the material available here, and if the need arises, we are ready to put up the plant in Uganda as well. And this plant was already, the raw material was already explored, and the plant setup was already undergoing. So currently we have a integrated plant in Kenya, and we have the enough capacity to serve the East Africa. And before clinker was imported, there is no enough clinker available in Uganda. Before clinker was imported, but now due to this plant, at least it is available within East Africa. Thank you. Yeah, any other questions?
Another question I had was about the counterfeit. The market was too much flooded with counterfeit goods. How is Simba Cement working towards this?
Okay, that is also a very important question. Thank you for mentioning about that. So we urge all the customers to always buy from a URA registered company which is established in Uganda, and not to buy from roadside people who are selling at very abnormal cheap price. And they have to ensure the packaging is well, it is not torn or it is not broken, and they also check the uniformity of the color. If the cement has different colors mixed with some foreign materials, then they have to come and report to the relevant dealers from various spots. So these are some of the points they need to check before buying the cement to ensure that they are buying the right quality. Yeah, any other questions?
Some companies are complaining about the electricity tariffs. Most manufacturers complaining about the electricity tariffs. How is Simba Cement affected by the billing of electricity, most especially for industrial use? How are you affected electricity tariffs?
Sorry, electricity?
Yes, tariffs. Yeah.
Yeah, if we compare the electricity tariffs, they are quite affordable, and but there has been power outages, number of stoppages, but which we have already addressed to UMEME, and they have worked on it. And whenever there is frequent power outages, we always reach out to them, and they listen to us. And then for now, I can say they have reduced the number of outages.
Are you part of the manufacturers who are really enjoying the 5%, sorry, the $5 per cent per unit consumed? I am among those companies as of now.
I may not be able to answer this question. Maybe I can provide you after this press conference, after confirming with our management. Yeah. So unless there is any other question, then
tugenda bafunira agenda okwogera mu Luganda naye temumubuuza questions ebizibu ennyo. Keep it brief. Mulinayo ebibuuzo ebirala bye musobola kumbuuza ebikwatagana ku sementi yaffe Simba Cement? Yes, please.
Simba Cement kusaawa balwala okwogera beeyi ya sementi zayo. Kikyusa mu Luzungu.
Osobola okubikyusa mu Luzungu so that
okay, why is Simba Cement coming out now to talk about its pricing of its cement? Why now? Why today?
Tuvuddeyo nga emiwendo gyaffe giri wansi lwakuba twagala buli Munnayuganda oba buli muntu yenna ali eyo asobole okugula sementi yaffe naye quality yayo oba omutindo gwayo tegusse wansi, gukyali mulungi nnyo. Yes. Waliyo ekibuuzo ekirala kyensobola okuddamu?
Zizo tuwulira ku digital stars bayambe zitya
osobola okukiteeka mu luzungu nekimuvunulira.
You talked about the research of the digital stuff that are not having fake products on the market that will be important.
Zino stamps, zi DTS stamps, ziyambyeko obutapukusa sementi waffe mu mawanga amalala nga zimakinga sure to tracking it down n'obuyambi bwa URA okusasula emisolo nga company obanga tutujjako kire ekyokukusa sementi nga tugitwala amawanga amalala oba nabo ne bateekamu ebicupuli bya sementi. Yes, thank you. Government ebadde etaddewo strict rules, amateeka agasobola okukwata abantu abakukusa sementi oba ne baleeta sementi nga tali ku mutindo nga Simba Cement. Thus kyovola bataddeko the use of okukozesa DTS stickers tracking down all counterfeit products that are on the market. Tusaba gavumenti yeyongere okuteekako amateeka makakali ku buli mu manufacturer ali eyo nga asobola okukozesa DTS stickers. Abantu balekerawo okukusa oba kukola sementi ow'ebicupuli nga tatuukiridde ku mutindo. Thank you. fenga aba Simba Cement prices zaffe zibadde ziri zibadde ziri stable price, but lwakuba tetubadde da clicker plant mu Uganda, prices zaffe zibadde ziriko waggulu katini, naye kati nga bwe twafunye clicker plant eri Kenya, prices zigenda kubeera nsaamusaamu nga ziriko wansi, ne sementi waffe nga wa mutindo. Yes. Amanya nze Businje Init, nkolanga assistant admin and assistant HR Kampala office. Thank you. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala.